Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jyoti, and this is Jyoti. This vlog is going to be about unwrapping my gift. Actually, I'm unwrapping this gift because it is related to the YouTube only. I have actually checked the gift before only, but I'm showing it here once again because in my previous video I have mentioned that I record videos using my phone and having that phone in my hand only. I don't have anything to hold it. So yes, my friend has gifted me this tripod, so I'm really grateful to her, and so that I can make really stable videos. So I can say that this is my first tripod, and I have not used this tripod before. So here I'm going to set it out. Actually, it is. Actually, I'm setting it for the first time, so I'm a little bit nervous with it. So because I don't want any. Okay, so I'm not just. I'm just going to set it as I was told by my friend. Okay, so finally it is on its position. So here, and so yeah, now maybe I can make more stable videos. First of all, I'm going to complete my English section. So here I'm using this book, and first of all I will sharpen my pencil because before starting my English, every time I have to sharpen my pencil. Okay, so here I'm going to start a book. This book is all about vocabulary. It has total 47 sessions, and currently I am reading this book, and I think you can easily see what book it is. But if you want me to review this book, I will review it after reading the whole book. There are many reviews available on YouTube on this book because many aspirants prefer this book to enhance their vocab section. Actually, this book is very good, and I am currently reading this book, and I think this book can be regarded as one of the best book for the vocab section. So here we go. Now I'm going to solve the MCQs or questions of this particular session. Actually, I like this book because the way of teaching is very good. Like first they will give you a session of 2 or 3 pages, then you have to just recall that vocab by solving their questions, and there is also so the method of pronouncing words. So here I have completed my English session, and I'm going to help my sis with her studies, and I'm going to teach her a little bit of genetics. Going to teach So here I'm going to end this short study vlog of mine. Actually, I can't call it a study vlog because I was not studying. I have just read English for like oh, half an hour, and the rest of the time I was helping my sis with my studies. But I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. Now I'm ending this because I have to go toward my practicals at college. So I hope that you have enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you are new, please visit to my channel. You can find some more useful videos there only. Thank you for watching. You can